Today we have the 2020 Hyundai Tucson. This is a hybrid electric diesel vehicle. It's done just under 46,000 miles with an automatic transmission. To the left of our steering wheel, we have voice control as a feature, as well as our automatic headlights. To the right, we have cruise control and automatic wipers. Moving on to our screen, on the left we can access our radio, media, which includes Apple and Android CarPlay. To the right we have map, navigation, our button settings and setup. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a 360 degrees camera with parking sensors. Just below our screen we have our AC with heated seats on either side and our heated steering wheel. If we press our drive mode button, we can switch to sport mode. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather black interior and get a good view of our panoramic roof.